Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
Talk about late to the party. There are probably hundreds of one-chip challenge videos on YouTube. I was sent one of these Reaper-encrusted chips by my good friend Jay Savage many weeks back, and Mr. Procrastination here is now just getting around to taking the challenge. If you've been following this channel for a while, you know that I'm not that into the competitive aspect of capsicum consumption. But I thought of a way I could make this challenge more interesting, at least for me. You have to last at least 5 minutes without eating or drinking anything to achieve the lowest achievement level, featherweight. So why not spend that 5 minutes doing something productive? I have some shout-outs and announcements to make, so why not see how well I can read them off a teleprompter right after eating the chip? No reason to delay. Let's get started. First, let's open the package and see what's inside. So, here we go. Inside, one extremely hot tortilla chip. Look, it's only 30 calories, so I guess it's not going to impact my diet. Do not eat if you are sensitive to spicy foods, allergic to peppers, nightshades, or capsaicin, or are pregnant or have any medical conditions. Keep out of reach of children. After touching the chip, wash your hands with soap and do not touch your eyes or other sensitive areas. Seek medical assistance should you experience difficulty breathing, fainting, or extended nausea. I'm Rob from a few days in the future. I'll be breaking in from time to time to provide some post-challenge commentary. Watch until the end of the video for my final thoughts. I really should have listed the ingredients, so here they are. Blue corn, sunflower and/or safflower oil, Carolina Reaper pepper, scorpion chili pepper, sea salt, activated charcoal powder, chipotle pepper powder, Sichuan pepper, and Sichuan pepper extract. If I had read this list before the challenge, I'm not sure I would have gone through with it. Sichuan pepper is not a hot pepper, but a type of peppercorn from China. It's known for its numbing effect, but once it hits my stomach, the numbing becomes burning. So I avoid it except for small quantities. And this chip is also coated with Sichuan pepper extract. Will what I don't know hurt me? Back to the action. Okay, so here we are inside. I guess here is our chip of doom. Here's a little there. I guess if I make it through, I will be a 2020 champion. Yay me. Guess I shouldn't say that too soon. And last but not least, there is a coupon for a free bag of Packy chips. So that's kind of nice. So, okay, here's our chip. We'll rip open the package. Oh, it's in a couple of pieces there. There's piece number 1. Piece number 2, I guess. Few crumbs, we'll try to get those too. Okay, so here are 2 pieces of chip. We'll do the smaller one first, just so we can see what we're getting into. Maybe they were trying to hide the terrible flavor with the numbing action of the Sichuan pepper. And why is the charcoal powder in there anyway? Is it to enhance the flavor, or because charcoal absorbs deadly toxins? Of course the chip is very hot, but to me it didn't taste at all like peppers. 2 thumbs down from me on the flavor. Yuck. Okay, well that wasn't too bad so far. So now I'm going to start my timer here for 5 minutes, counting down. It's up here, so You can see, here's my teleprompter. This is a device that has a partially silvered mirror that displays text from an iPad screen while still letting most of the light get to the camera lens. I've got a remote control here that allows me to control the scrolling of the text on the screen. So here we go. Here come the announcements. First off, I have a couple of shout outs. The first shout out is to the Desert Gardener. He's a faithful follower of 7 Pot Club who recently started his own YouTube channel focused on growing peppers and tomatoes in a desert environment. I've included a link in the description if you want to check him out. Next up, Brad, aka Blue Gardens, who follows 7 Pot Club on Instagram. Here's a short video of his winter growing setup. The grow box has a 7 Pot sticker on the side, along with some lovely artwork. I want to give a spicy shout out, in this case, a very spicy shout out, to Brad and his family who enjoy gardening together. Now, an update on our 7 Pot Club membership card. It's free to anyone who sends us a self-addressed stamped envelope with U.S. postage. It's kind of old school, but it creates a really personal connection with our club members. But there's a problem for our international friends. We know it's nearly impossible for you to find U.S. postage to attach to your self-addressed envelope. So we're having a small holiday giveaway just for non-U.S. residents. We'll send out our membership card and stickers to the first 25 international friends who send me an email with their name and complete mailing address. My email address is rob@7pot.club. I'm only accepting requests through email. I know there are probably more than 25 of you who want to join, but that's all we can afford to send out this round. So hurry if you want to be included. As I think you've noticed, this is pretty hot and it's really getting to me. I still have 2 minutes and 19 seconds to go. Up till this point, I was doing pretty good. Some hiccups, but no real distress. This is around the time it hit my gut, and I really couldn't sit still. It felt like there was a bubbling volcano in my stomach, ready to erupt. You can see how bloated I am. Not a good look. But on with the announcements. For our fellow U.S. residents...
19 seconds and counting.
Thank you. For our fellow U.S. residents, we have a holiday gift for you too. If you send us a self-addressed stamped envelope any time during December 2020, you'll receive, in addition to a membership card and stickers, and while supplies last, a small packet of hot pepper powder from peppers grown in our front yard garden. Go to 7pot.club/card to get the details and where to send your self-addressed stamped envelope. We have lots of cool merch perfect for holiday gifting, and everything in our threadless store is on sale for 20% off through December 15th. Order right away if you want to receive your merch by Christmas. Our Scoville Scalé hot sauce collaboration with Hotheads Official has been getting rave reviews. Order your bottle at hotheadsofficial.com. And for even more 7 Pot Club, follow our daily updates on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. For 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob. I still have 1 minute and 12 seconds to go, but I can't wait any longer. Thanks. Bye. Oh God, shut it off. Future me is so relieved that unpleasant ordeal is over. I guess I'm technically a champion because I didn't eat or drink anything for at least another 5 minutes after I abandoned my post. I went straight for a horizontal position on the couch where I moaned loudly while writhing with the worst cap cramps of my life, intensified by the Sichuan pepper. Eventually, I had some yogurt, milk, and Pepto-Bismol, which provided a little relief. Back in 2012, a man in Wuhan, China burned a hole in his stomach by eating a bowl of Chinese death soup seasoned with this deadly combo of hot peppers and Sichuan pepper. I don't think that's happened to anyone who ate one of these chips, but I feel that eating spicy should be a pleasurable experience, and this was just the opposite. It tasted terrible, it caused intense discomfort, and was definitely abusive to my aging digestive tract. Do not recommend. I didn't enjoy this experience, but if you enjoyed watching me, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell to be notified when we post new episodes. Again, for 7 Pot Club, I'm Rob.